I'm sure you've all heard of Kylie Jenner. Kylie Jenner is a reality TV personality and cosmetics entrepreneur who is a member of the Kardashian-Jenner family. She is one of Hollywood's youngest billionaires, with sizable real estate holdings. But aside from becoming a cosmetic entrepreneur, how did this lady go about finding her own home? What does Kylie Jenner's legendary home look like on the inside? Actually, she began investing in real estate as a teenager, and her mansions now reflect her extravagant tastes. In this video, we take you on a rare tour of Kylie Jenner's multi-million-dollar houses. We take an intimate glimpse at the millionaire beauty mogul's lifestyle, from secret features to exquisite design. So, prepare to be astounded by the magnificence of her luxurious residences and learn what makes them so valuable. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. This 25-year-old woman just paid $15 million for a 5-acre property near her family. While it may not appear to be much currently, the actress intends to create an 18,000 square foot giant house for herself and her family. But how long has Kylie been buying, selling, and restoring extravagant homes? She got her start when she was young. When she was 17 years old, the model, reality star, entrepreneur parent, and real estate magnate entered into the property game. It appears that as far as her net worth develops, so does her amazing portfolio. Kylie acquired her first home in 2015, a starter home for a billionaire like her. Kylie was just getting her lip kits out and making a name for herself as a beauty mogul at the time. She paid $2.6 million for the mansion, which features a 5,100 square foot, 5-bedroom Tuscan-style residence on a half-acre of land. The house was in the Calabasas Oaks. Kylie actually painted this house when she was 17. In addition, this villa has a stunning open-plan monochromatic living area, replete with a white stone fireplace and French doors that open up to a magnificent swimming pool. Not bad for a teen, is it? This home's kitchen was incredibly modern and included a giant sofa. We can absolutely envision the entire Kardashian-Jenner clan hanging out in this kitchen. Also, she and her sisters could go glam in the home's special glam room, which had illuminated vanity mirror walls and some unusual drawers. However, she eventually sold this first property of hers for $3.2 million. Kylie splurged on not one, not two, but 3 residences while the Cape Cod property in Calabasas was still on the market. Kylie had her sights set on the Hidden Hills this time. Her first acquisition was a $6 million mini mansion. She purchased the property in May 2016 and decided to purchase the property next door a few months later in August because of extra space. The mini mansion was a 7,000 square foot Cape Cod type residence with 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. As if that wasn't enough, it also had a wine cellar, a pool, a cinema room, a 4-car garage, and a gigantic walk-in closet. A large closet is what every Kardashian-Jenner needs. The modern mansion was fully furnished, but kept a classic demeanor, much like Kylie. The pool glistens in the sun in the rear, complete with a Hollywood-style water feature. But the question is, why did she purchase the property next door? She bought the neighboring property for $4.5 million because her business was expanding rapidly, and she wanted to use the 5,200 square foot property as her office. This house also had a pool, so if any of the primary occupants' pool parties were overcrowded, she had a backup plan. Again, the house appears to be quiet, comfortable, and classic, with a few truly distinctive features. As we now know, Kylie did not use the home for her business, at least not for a long time, as she sold it for $5.3 million, a sizable profit in 2017. Her mini mansion was also sold off market for $6.7 million a year later in 2018. Kylie appears to have discovered a home she adores in her third property acquisition in 2016. She converted her main property into a pink paradise after spending $12 million on a Hidden Hills mansion. Unlike her prior homes, this one felt so Kylie, so personalized, and so pink. She was evidently happy of how much it reflected her, as she was featured in Architectural Digest. This publication praised the property for being a beautiful residence, enlivened with pop brio and youthful enthusiasm. Martin Lawrence BOULARD told the magazine that this was her first truly grown-up home. Kylie collaborated carefully with the designer to ensure that every detail of the home was ideal for her. With this property, Kylie took bespoke to the next level. The leather upholstery on the chairs was even specifically colored to match the colors in Kylie's popular lipstick range. When Kylie found out that she was pregnant with Stormy, midway through the home renovation, the team went back to the drawing board to ensure that a nursery and playroom suitable for a princess could be integrated into the decor. The fantastic art is one of the nicest features of her home. She has a ridiculous series of sculptures from artist Bo Dunn's Size Does Matter series. And her property acquisitions do not stop there. Her most recent purchase, though, is the center of attention, her Holy Hills Resort property. She purchased a resort compound complete with 7 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, 2 guest houses, and a security house, a chef's kitchen, a formal dining area, a gym bar, and an outside projection screen, and everything you could ever dream up in a home is there. The house was listed for $45 million. However, Kylie negotiated a deal and purchased the home for $36 million. The single-story home is about 15,000 square feet in size and has its own guardhouse in the front to keep the star and her family secure when they are at home. The Kardashians are known for their dedication to working out, and Kylie will have no trouble doing so, with a home's home gym, championship-level tennis court, championship-level basketball court, and pool. The house is ultra-modern, but it also appears to be a royal castle. Every accent and item of decor appears to have been meticulously selected to complement the overall style of the property. Kylie truly deserves the label of real estate queen. She joins other celebrities recognized for their real estate holdings, such as Oprah, Ellen DeGeneres, Patrick Dempsey, and Jennifer Aniston. She accomplished everything before the age of 25, and I am sure we cannot wait to find out with whoever she is collaborating on her future house, building the most magnificent space for her family. I am confident Kylie's story has motivated us all to buy our own home and customize it ourselves. Now, which Kylie Jenner property is your favorite? Tell us in the comment section below. If you want to keep up with the latest celebrity and entertainment news, do not forget to click the like button. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!